With the increase of disease and suffering in the world today, now more than ever it's important to take care of our personal health and also be able to minister to those in need. The Lay Institute for Global Health Training has trained over 10,000 lay members across 80 countries to do just that. And now this training is available right at your fingertips. The Essentials of Health Evangelism is a 125-hour online certification course designed to equip you with the tools needed to not only live a vibrant life, but also help others achieve total health, mind, body, and soul. All classes are recorded in high definition and available in multiple platforms. Take the course as a whole or focus your training with one of our 3 major tracks. Natural Remedies teaches classes like hydrotherapy and massage with practical step-by-step instruction. Learn how simple home remedies can achieve powerful healing results with no side effects. Lifestyle Medicine teaches how to prevent and even stop most chronic diseases right where they start. Make food your medicine with a comprehensive nutrition class accompanied with over 30 vegetarian entree demonstrations. All health classes are fully referenced with up-to-date medical research. And in our Health Evangelism track, learn how Christ reached souls through ministering to the needs of those around him. Discover how interactive health programs can make you a brighter light in your community. Or get a more comprehensive training and take the full Essentials course and receive classes in family life, Christian counseling, starting lay ministries, how to give Bible studies, and prophecy. Sign up today by calling us at 706-820-9804 or visit us on the web at lightingtheworld.org.